If your car blows white smoke on cold starts, your engine is slowly destroying itself from the inside. This usually means coolant is leaking into your cylinders through a bad intake manifold gasket. Most people think it's just condensation, but it gets worse fast. Overnight, coolant seeps in, and when you start up, it creates steam that cracks pistons and destroys rings. If you don't fix it, it leads to complete engine seizure from hydrolock damage. Save this before it costs you thousands.